Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, front wheel independent suspension, steering wheel audio controls, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, power windows, first aid kit, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.